phone call आलो from control room PCR Panje informing that one four-wheeler has caught fire at near Jubilant Hall in Velsao. So accordingly we immediately proceeded to the spot. Within 10 minutes we reached the spot and we found that one vehicle belonging to one Mr. Rohan Naik has caught fire. Rohan Naik is a police constable who is attached to Kolwa PS. So we immediately contacted fire brigade. Fire brigade came and doused the fire. Again during inquiry we found out that Rohan Naik was proceeding to his residence late at night after finishing his duty, and while driving he saw one red color light in the ignition in the dial saying danger. So he immediately stopped the vehicle, put off the vehicle, waited for some time, and got out of the car. Then again he sat in the car and he started his vehicle and he started moving. And when he reached at the Jubilant Hall, Velsao, again he saw the red light coming in the ignition. So he again got down and went at some distance and waited. And in some time he saw a dust smoke coming out from the car. So that time he immediately contacted the police. So immediately we rushed to the spot, and the further inquiry is in progress. Investigation is in progress. There is GA03P5422 Polo, Volkswagen Polo.